Think you need thousands to start investing? You don't. In this video, I'll show you how $100, yes, just one Benjamin, can kickstart your journey toward financial freedom. No get-rich-quick schemes, no confusing jargon, just real, evidence-based investing designed for the absolute beginner. We are going to break down exactly how that $100 bill in your wallet can become the first, most important step toward building wealth for your future. Forget the Wall Street stereotypes. This is investing made simple, accessible, and powerful, even if you're starting from scratch. We will demystify the entire process, showing you the exact tools and strategies you need to get started today, proving that the biggest barrier to investing isn't the size of your bank account, but taking that first step. If you're juggling student loans, credit card debt, or just starting your career, investing might feel overwhelming, like a complex club you don't have the password to. The world of finance can seem intimidating, filled with charts, numbers, and terminology that feels like a foreign language. But it doesn't have to be. My goal here is to cut through all that noise and give you a clear, actionable plan. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put $100 to work for you. You'll understand the core concepts, know which platforms to use, and have the confidence to make your first investment. This isn't about becoming a stock market genius overnight. It's about making your money work harder for you so you can build a more secure financial future, one small, smart step at a time. Let's start with the basics. Stocks. Simply put, stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a tiny piece of that business. If the company succeeds, innovates, and grows its profits, the value of your piece, your share, generally grows with it. Now, you might look at the price of a single share of a major company like Apple or Amazon and think, I can't afford that. Don't you worry if the per share price seems expensive. This is where fractional shares come in to save the day. Fractional shares let you buy just a piece of a single share, based on the dollar amount you want to invest. So instead of needing hundreds or thousands to own a piece of a blue chip company, you can invest your $100 and own a fraction of it. This revolutionary feature means your $100 goes further, allowing you to invest in the companies you know, use, and believe in, regardless of their stock price. It completely levels the playing field for new investors. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools for a beginner investor, ETFs. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are collections of stocks and other assets bundled together into a single, tradable fund. Think of it like a basket holding dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of different investments. When you buy a share of an ETF, you're not just betting on one company's success. You're spreading your money across many companies, which instantly diversifies your investment and significantly reduces your risk. For example, an S&P 500 ETF gives you a slice of the 500 largest companies in the US with a single purchase. This means even $100 can buy you exposure to entire markets or sectors instead of trying to pick one winning stock out of thousands. For beginners, ETFs are a fantastic way to build a diversified portfolio from day one, without the stress and guesswork of individual stock picking. They offer a simple, low-cost path to participating in the broad growth of the economy. So, how do you actually start investing? To start investing, you need a brokerage account. Think of a brokerage as the marketplace where you go to buy and sell stocks and ETFs. In the past, this meant dealing with stuffy, expensive firms, but today, it's as easy as downloading an app on your phone. Modern brokerage apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Webull let you start with no minimum deposit requirements and often have no commission fees on trades. Robinhood is known for its incredibly simple and user-friendly interface, making it perfect for first-timers. Fidelity is a long-term favorite, respected for its robust research tools and great customer service, making it ideal for those who plan to grow with their platform. Webull offers a sleek interface with more advanced charting tools for those who want to dig a little deeper. The process is straightforward. You sign up, provide some basic information, link your bank account, and you're ready to invest your first $100. It's genuinely that simple to get started. Once you're set up, success comes down to a few key strategies. The most important rule? Start small, but stay consistent. Investing $100 now is a fantastic start, but the real magic happens when you make it a habit. Adding a little more each month, whether it's $25, $50, or another $100, can grow your portfolio faster than you think thanks to the power of compound interest. It's also crucial to remember that investing is a long-term game. The stock market will have up days and down days. That's completely normal. Don't panic if the market dips or your portfolio value temporarily drops. Your best friend on this journey is patience. Resist the urge to constantly check your portfolio or make emotional decisions based on news headlines or social media hype. Automate your contributions if you can, focus on your long-term goals, and let time do the heavy lifting for you. So that's it. Stocks made accessible through fractional shares, diversification made easy with ETFs, and getting started is as simple as opening an account on user-friendly brokerages. You now have the fundamental knowledge to turn that $100 into a real investment. The most important step is the next one you take. Take action today, even with just $100. Pick a brokerage that feels right for you, fund the account, and make your first investment in a broad market ETF. Consistency beats perfection every single time. If you want more practical, beginner-friendly investing tips to help you build your wealth confidently, hit that subscribe button and let's grow your money together. This is just the beginning of your journey, and with the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve your financial goals.